Morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ, just a minute बेटा है. दुलीचंद जी.
हाँ सर.
Okay. Now, हाँ. What is your query?
सर जो हमारा आखिरी पॉलीगन वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट हमने करा था उसमें परसेंटेज एरर मुझे नेगेटिव मिल रहा था.
नेगेटिव मिल रहा था.
Same,
सर होना चाहिए बेटा. कुछ एंगल वगैरह में कुछ वो दिक्कत होगी.
सर मैंने जो उसकी फिगर थी मेजर करके ढंग से 2-3 बार बना के देखी पर नेगेटिव परसेंटेज एरर ही आ रहा था.
Okay, you can send me this figure on my WhatsApp group. I'll check it.
ओके
Okay.
सर अभी भेज दूं?
अभी भेज दो. ठीक है. बाद में मैं चेक करूंगा. ठीक है. Now,
ठीक है सर.
another queries, students.
सर
Have you
पॉलीगन लॉ
written
में कितना
this
मैक्सिमम
experiment? The last experiment. All students, have you written it?
यस सर.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
मैक्सिमम एरर कितना हो सकता है?
Okay. Just a minute. Dulchand ji, I will share the video of this experiment, second experiment. It is a parallel force apparatus, okay, in which we have to use two parallel forces with the help of the hanging mass. Okay, it consists a beam. Rest of this thing is given to you in the video. Okay, I'm sharing the video, and after that I will explain the theory.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हाँ,
सर पॉलीगन लॉ एक्सपेरिमेंट में मैक्सिमम एरर कितना हो सकता है?
मैक्सिमम एरर जो है ना 10% से बिलो होना चाहिए बेटा.
ओके सर.
10%. It is uploading. It is uploaded. Now you can download it and show the experiment, how to perform it. All students, please. First of all, turn on your camera, please. Students, turn on your camera. I am audible to you. Download the video
Yes, sir.
which is I just uploaded in a few seconds ago. Okay. And how to perform this experiment.
Sir, there is no video in files.
There is two video.
सर वो तो पुरानी वाली है.
नहीं, एक अभी की मैंने जस्ट ए फ्यू सेकंड्स.
हाँ जी सर, 2 वीडियो हैं.
हाँ. Just a minute. I have also shared some handwritten material. Okay. Any doubt about this experiment, please? Now I'm going to explain you the theory of this experiment. Students, students,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
any doubt about this video?
Sir, just a minute.
Sir, just a minute. Video is not finished yet.
Actually, I have purchased the tripod also, but could not install it on this tripod, the action camera. So अभी अभी के लिए तो जो है ना अभी ऐसे करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। The objective or aim is to verify the reaction of a simply supported beam. Okay, and the apparatus used are apparatus consists of a two dial type of spring balance and a wooden bar. Okay, and the theory is write down all students. The theory is have you finished watching the video?
Yes, sir.
On your camera. Turn on your camera, please. All students. Turn on your camera. All students. I will check it. There are only 6 students who have who have turned on your camera. But write down the theory. If a system of forces if a system of
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we have to write it in the file as it is right now.
As it is.
Right now.
Write down right now. I have already given to you this material on the file section. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
The theory is if a system of compliance forces acting on a rigid body keeps in equilibrium, then the algebraic sum of their moments about any point in their plane. It's not visible to me. Just a minute. If a system of compliance forces acting on a rigid body keeps it in equilibrium, then the algebraic sum of their moments about any point in their plane is 0. This is the theory. And we have some equations. Let's say on the bar wooden bar spring is attached here, dial spring is attached here, they produce the reaction force which is Ra and Rb. Okay, and let's say the applied force are W1 and W2. Okay, this is the simplified diagram of the wooden bar. Then apply the equilibrium equations. Then apply the equilibrium equations, which says that in horizontal direction there is no force. In horizontal direction there is no force. That means sigma fx is 0. But in vertical directions there is sigma y is also 0. But in vertical directions there are 4 forces. Taking the sign convention, we can say that W1 plus W2 minus Ra minus Rb is 0. This is the first equation. Then take the moment about, let's say it's about Ra. Then if it is the distance of W1, it is L1. Distance of W2 is L2. Then and the total distance is L. Then take the moment about Ra. Then it says that, you know that clockwise moment is positive and anti-clockwise moment is negative. So it's equal to Ra minus Ra into L minus W1 L1 minus W2 L2 is 0. This is the second equation. With the help of these equations, or is it?
Sir, if it is clockwise, it is positive or negative? If the movement is clockwise, then it is positive or negative?
It depends on your convention. If it is positive in anti-clockwise, if moment is anti-clockwise, you can take it positive. If the moment is in clockwise direction, you can take the moment as negative. But it is vice versa also. Okay, it depends on your convention. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we have to write that theory that you have given in the WhatsApp photo in the files, or this theory only which you are writing on the board?
No. Which the theory which I have
In the WhatsApp image.
given you in the materials section,
Okay, sir.
the files. Okay.
So, sir,
Yes,
these
the whole
equations we
thing.
have to write in the file.
Huh?
These equations which you are writing on the board, we have to write in the file.
No. This is for your explanation. Bit.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So we have to write the whole theory.
Explanation. If you have any doubt about this theory, which is the explanation. It is not complete theory. It is short form. Just a minute. So this is only the explanation of this experiment.
Sir, what is two dial type spring
क्या
balance?
बेटा?
Sir, what is two dial type spring balance?
Actually, this wooden beam have some dial type spring which measure the reaction force. Okay, which measure the reaction force. It is given to you in the video. It is given to you in this video. Are you getting me, students?
Yes, sir.
Please raise your courage about this experiment. Raise your courage. I'm here to listen to you. Any doubt? Any doubt about this story? Please.
No, sir.
Aditya Kumar? Aditya Kumar?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Ansuman? Ansuman
No, sir.
Garg?
No, sir, no doubt.
Arunit?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Any
No.
doubt?
No, sir.
Aryaman? Aryaman?
No doubt, sir.
Yeah?
Sir, no doubt.
Okay. Aryan? Suroha?
No, sir. No, sir.
Bhavya?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Dakshit? Dakshit?
No doubt, sir.
Himang?
No doubt, sir.
Sagar?
Sir, no doubt.
Lakshit? Lakshita? Lakshita?
No doubts.
Naman?
No, sir.
Nibir? Nimir? Nibir? Hello?
Can you hear
I'm
me?
not hearing you.
Hello?
Oh yeah.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Parth?
No doubt, sir.
Visual?
No doubt, sir. Sir, can you? I'm not able to see what's written on the board. I missed some part. Thank you, sir.
Now it is visible to you? No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is
sir.
visible now. Thank you, sir.
Prapti?
No doubt, sir.
Sagar Wadhwa?
No doubt, sir.
Sarang?
No doubt.
Sarthak? Sarthak Gupta?
No doubt, sir. No doubt.
Okay. Santanu?
No, sir.
Sudhamsu?
No doubt, sir.
Yuvraj? Yuvraj?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now write this practical and show me.
सर जो हमारे प्रैक्टिकल में ऑब्जर्वेशंस की रीडिंग है वो एज इट इज लिख दें.
आज इट लिखी है.
ठीक है सर.
किसी के कैमरे ऑन नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं।
सर मैं एक बार अपना कैमरा मेरा चल नहीं रहा, एक बार मैं रीलॉक कर लूं?
रहने दे।
ओके सर।
Sir,
हम्म
sir, I am having flu. So can I write after some time? Sir,
नहीं बेटा,
sir, I am having
अभी इसी
102
प्रैक्टिकल में लिखना है,
fever.
इसी प्रैक्टिकल में लिखना है बेटा।
Sir, I am having 102 degree fever.
I'm not getting you.
Sir, I am having 102 fever now.
अच्छा, ओके, बाद में कर लेंगे। ठीक है बेटा, ठीक है बेटा, ठीक है, ओके बेटा,
Thank you, sir.
ओके। क्या नाम है आपका बेटा?
Sir, Dakshit.
दक्षित। तुम आराम कर सकते हो बेटा, कोई बात नहीं। तो तुम थोड़ा प्रेजेंट रहिए ना, बस, और कुछ नहीं, ठीक है?
Okay.
सर जो व्हाट्सएप इमेज है उसमें से लिखना है।
हाँ, जो मैंने भेजा है, जो फाइल में भेजा है बेटा। ना आप अपनी फाइल चेक करवा सकते हो, जो लास्ट प्रैक्टिकल की थी।
कौन सा प्रैक्टिकल सर? लास्ट प्रैक्टिकल?
जिसने चेक
कैमरा ऑन करके दिखा रहे हैं फाइल कैसे?
जिसने लास्ट प्रैक्टिकल में दिखा दी थी, कोई बात नहीं।
सर कैसे दिखाना?
कैमरा ऑन करके।
सर लास्ट टाइम आपने बोला था सेफ्टी एंड प्रिकॉशन वाला डालने के लिए, और मैंने बता दिया था कि मेरा सर जो फ़ोन है वो ठीक होने जा रखा था, उसकी स्क्रीन टूट गई थी। आपने बोला था अगले में दिखा देना। अभी दिखा दूँ सर?
हाँ, तो अभी दिखा दो। कैमरा ऑन करो।
Sir,
रुक जाओ, मैं एक
Excuse me, sir.
जस्ट अ मिनट। हाँ बताओ बेटा।
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ,
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, the pictures you have.
कैमरा ऑन करो पहले।
Yes.
पहले कैमरा ऑन करो।
Yes, sir.
हाँ।
Sir, you have posted 4 pictures, and the procedure is in the last one. So what we have to do? We have to do it serial wise, as you have posted the pictures. Sir, I mean procedure आपका आखिर में आ रखा है, तो हमें आखिर में लिखना है।
पहले एम होगा, ठीक है? उसके बाद जो है ना
Apparatus,
आपकी एपिडस, ठीक है? थ्योरी, ठीक है? फिर उसके बाद ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल, फिगर, एक फिगर, ठीक है? फिर उसके बाद रिजल्ट्स।
अच्छा, ठीक है सर। और
ठीक है?
फिर प्रोसीजर भी दे रखा है सर आपने आखिरी वाली पिक्चर में।
हाँ, तो अगर प्रोसीजर है तो वो जो है ना, वो देख लेना किस उसमें लगाना है। वैसे जो ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल है वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लिखनी है।
यस सर।
राइट हैंड साइड में जो है ना प्रोसीजर होगा।
ठीक है सर, वो एंड में लिखा हुआ है, आपने तो एंड में करना है।
हाँ, वो साइड से फोटो खींच के डाले हैं ना शायद
हाँ, आगे पीछे हो गया। ठीक है
सर
यार।
सर मेरी उसकी ऑब्जर्वेशंस परसेंटेज एरर मतलब नेगेटिव आ रहा था पॉलीगन वाले एक्सपेरिमेंट की, तो आप कहते ग्रुप पे भेज दूं अपनी ऑब्जर्वेशंस?
हाँ भेज दो, मैं देखता हूँ क्या किया ना। हाँ वैसे कई बार कुछ प्रॉब्लम आती है बेटा, ठीक है। इट इज नॉट,
Excuse me, sir.
या
Can you explain the second equation again?
प्लीज रिपीट योर क्वेश्चन। हेलो, I can't hear you.
Hello.
हाँ यार,
Sir, please explain the second equation again.
अच्छा ओके ओके बेटा। There are three type of equilibrium equations. Well, two types of equilibrium equations. Okay. First one is for the planar forces. Remember this thing. These equations are only valid for planar forces. Okay. So these are the planar forces. So if it is a and the body is in equilibrium, then sigma fx is 0 and sigma fy is 0. Okay, these are two equations. These are two equations. You can see, students.
Yes, sir.
These are two equations.
Sir,
Okay.
not visible.
हाँ
Okay.
सर अब दिख रहा है सर, अब दिख रहा है।
Okay, got it. Now you know that in the horizontal direction, there is no forces. There is no forces. Okay. So this sigma fx should be 0. Should be 0. It is only in equilibrium. It is already in equilibrium. But in y direction or in vertical directions, which is sigma fy and 0, there are four forces. Two are acting in the vertical direction, upward vertical directions, and two forces are acting in the vertical downward directions. Is it okay? Is it okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to formulate this equation. Sigma fy is equal to 0. So it says that if we take the downward directions as positive, it depends on our convention. Okay, so we can say that W1 plus W2 minus RA minus RB is equal to 0. Okay, so this is this equation in y direction, sigma fx y directions. Is it visible to you, student?
No, sir.
No sir.
Visible to you
Sir,
now?
No, sir.
सर थोड़ा
सर,
पीछे
थोड़ा
कर लो,
सा
अपनी
पीछे कर
तरफ
लीजिए।
करो तो दिख जाएगा।
हाँ देखो बेटा।
सर थोड़ा सा और।
यस सर, थोड़ा
हाँ
सा।
सर अब दिख गई।
हाँ बस सर।
Okay.
हाँ सर।
In horizontal direction there is no forces, but in vertical directions there is two forces, four forces. Okay, it depends upon your convention. Then W1 and W2 is acting in downward direction, and RA and RB are in negative directions. Okay, you got it. It depends upon your convention. Okay. It will not change your the magnitude. It will not change your results. Okay. It will not change your result. Got it? Students?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is equation 1. Put it equation 1. Now, there is second equation, equilibrium equations, which is says that sigma m at any axis is 0. Is it visible to you? Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Sigma m about any axis, which is m naught. It is a arbitrary axis. It is a arbitrary axis. So either we can find out the axis on A point or on B point. We put our axis on A point. Okay, on A point. So the equation is sigma ma is 0. Means the moment about A, all moments about A should be 0. Got it?
सर थोड़ा अपनी तरफ कर लो, पेपर को देख नहीं रहा. हाँ सर, अब दिख रहा है. ठीक है सर.
So we take the moment about A point, which is the axis of the moment. Now the equations are, you know that moment is equal to what? Force multiplied by the a moment is equal to force multiplied by the perpendicular distance. Write down this equation. The a moment is equal to perpendicular distance multiplied by the force. Okay, this is the equation, which is m is equal to F into L. F into L, where L is the perpendicular distance. F is the perpendicular distance. You got it? Students?
Yes,
Please.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now, for this second equation, we can say that always take a sign convention. Either anti-clockwise moment is positive or negative, or clockwise moment is positive or negative. So I take the anti-clockwise moment as positive. Okay. I take the moment of anti-clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. This moment is anti-clockwise, and these moments, since these are the fixed point of the moment, then these moments are clockwise. Okay. Is it visible to you? Now, what is this moment which is acting in upward direction, and we have fixed the moment axis at this point A, then this moment is anti-clockwise, and these moments W1 and W2 are clockwise. You got it? You got it? Students, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, form the equation. Form the equation. The equation is RA multiplied by the length of the beam, which is the capital L. So this is positive moment, which is anti-clockwise, minus W1. Distance is L1. These are clockwise moments. Similarly, W2 into L2, they are also clockwise moments. Okay, is equal to 0. This is second equations. Is it visible to you, students? Is it visible to you?
Yes, सर थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट आपका लेफ्ट.
हाँ बेटा थोड़ा एडजस्ट नहीं होता है कैमरे में, क्योंकि जो तुम देख रहे हो वो मुझे मिरर में दिखता है, एक तरह से मिरर में दिखता है.
सर विजिबल है पूरा.
हाँ सर अब विजिबल है.
जो तुम देख रहे हो मुझे मिरर दिखता है एक तरह से.
हाँ जी जी
सर तीन फोर्सेस होंगी.
हाँ
3 फोर्सेस होंगी यहाँ पे मोमेंट वाली.
हाँ इसमें 3 पॉइंट फोर्सेस होंगे. सॉरी ये इसमें आर ए नहीं होगा, आर बी होगा बेटा. ये आर बी होगा सॉरी आर बी, क्योंकि जब मोमेंट अबाउट दिस इज द पॉइंट, ये पॉइंट होगा, इस पॉइंट पे तो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस 0 ही होगा. परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस तो 0 ही हो जाएगा बेटा. ठीक है. आर ए का जो मोमेंट होगा वो मे बी फोर्सेज होगा, बट उसका डिस्टेंस वो पॉइंट तो जो ए पॉइंट होगा उसी से पास हो रहा है, उसका जो है ना डिस्टेंस 0 होगा. यू गॉट इट? I can say that RA into perpendicular distance, which is 0. This is also this equation. RA, which is some forces, but their perpendicular distance is 0. So this will omit this term RA into 0. Are you getting me, student? Please.
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Yes,
any doubt about this? Now you can take 5-minute break.
Thank you, sir.
And show me the practical file.
सर
हाँ
सर जो फाइल आपने व्हाट्सएप पे भेजी है उसमें प्रोसीजर लास्ट में ही लिखा है, वो ऑर्डर जो है प्रोसीजर उसमें लास्ट में ही लिखा है.
देखो बेटा, जो तुमने पहले वाला पहले वाला प्रैक्टिकल किया है?
यस सर।
तो उस हिसाब से करना होगा सर।
ओके सर।
मे बी जो है ना तो वो थोड़े उसकी जो है ना इधर गॉट इट। ओके नाउ
सर।
हाँ
सर मेरी नेगेटिव परसेंटेज एरर आ रहा था तो मैंने उसके लिए फोटो ग्रुप पे भेज दी है, तो एक बार आप देख लो।
no problem. There is no problem. Okay, there is no problem.
सर बाकी पूरा प्रैक्टिकल लिख लियो।
Okay, there is no problem. Okay, you can take 5-minute break. Okay.